In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can open up your Subaru Legacy key fob and change the internal battery at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. And if you'd like to pick one of those up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price. It's just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver that will allow you to pull out these two small screws. I'll be using this precision screwdriver. If you don't happen to have a Phillips head that is the correct size, I would recommend something like this. This is just a little pack of precision screwdrivers. You have Phillips head and flat heads of multiple sizes. And again, it's just a couple bucks on Amazon. So I'll leave a link down in the description if you need to get one of these tools. Once you have everything, just follow along. We will just be removing these two screws to start. This is the trickiest part, actually, once we open this thing up. Super easy. So set your screws to the side, do not lose them. Hold these things out, and now that the screws are out, we can just open this up with our fingers. There we go. Set the back to the side, and from here we can literally just slide this thing out with our thumb. Take a look at it. It's a CR2032 battery. Again, if you don't know where to get one of these, I will put a link in the description to get it on Amazon. And when you have your new battery, just make sure this positive side with the text, the information there goes face up, and just slide it back into place. Of course, we got to put the back on and just click that and make sure it's all lined up before you start to turn in these screws. And go ahead, just tighten up these screws. You don't need to do it too tight, just a little finger tightness, I'd say. So it holds it together nicely, but you don't want to lock these screws or damage them. And there we go. If your battery is fully charged and you did everything correctly, you should see that light come on your device, and that means you are all set and good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing any of the batteries in your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.